Welcome back. If you're new, please subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. It is September the 11th, 2019. It is Red Wiggler Wednesday. It's been 1 year and 6 weeks already since we got started with the Red Wigglers in the Worm Factory 360. I just got this empty tray on top for the heck of it. And last week we fed in this top tray. 2 weeks ago we fed in the top tray some bananas that were bad. Oh, look at there. Let me get the lighting good here. We got worms. We got red wigglers. There's a little worm ball. A few more down there. Oh yeah. Not bad. They're eating the inside of that out pretty good. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh yeah, we got more in that one. Quite a few. Just eating all the banana. Oh yeah, look at all them. Lots of worms, lots of red wigglers. They are tearing that banana up. And we had 4. Let's see what this 4th one looks like. Haven't moved into that one yet. Them other 3, they're eating on pretty good. Move them over to the side. Oh yeah, so they've moved up in this top tray now. Pretty good. Several more. Nice little worm ball that was underneath. Oh yeah, look at there. Nice. That's what I like to see. And this paper is pretty dry on top, so I'll probably go ahead and spray that down. Let's see what this next tray is looking like. Yeah, we got a few worms in there, but that is mainly castings now. It smells good and earthy. And the bottom tray, still a few worms in it. They look a lot bigger than the ones that were in the banana. And still got some shredded paper in there. So they're still eating away on that. Let's see what it looks like underneath. Yeah, I got a few worms on the ladder, but the bottom's dry, so. We got plenty of food in the Worm Factory 360 still. I will go ahead and spray this down with some water off camera. And our main holding bin here. Look at all them worms right there. I can't remember what we fed. I can't. But look at all them worms. Oh my goodness. It was a banana too. Holy crap. Look at all them red wigglers. Several bananas. They are wearing it out. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Nice clue of worms.
Just gonna mix this up a little bit. This whole thing is just full of worms. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to do something with these. There's just a ton. Some of them's got some good size to them too, compared to the worm factory. It seems like they're mostly small in that worm factory. There's no telling how many worms are in here. But it's wet. I did spray it down the other day because it was getting a little dry. So I just want to look at there. What we got here? Looks like a European, no doubt. But I do have my European grow trays right there, so it probably fell right out into there. Because they like to try to escape. If they hit the floor, they are dead because they dry out. Alright, so we still got plenty of banana right there. Just going to cover them up so they don't need any food. There's plenty in there, but I'll probably go ahead and start baiting these out. I'll do that off camera. Just put me a bait cup in here because this is pretty much all castings. They have just wore that out. Now let's take a look at this bin. We've been baiting the worms out of here. It's pretty much all castings. Let's see if there's any in this bait cup. I don't think there was many left in there. Oh yeah, there was indeed. That was ground up potato peels. There's some worms falling out. I'll go ahead and dump that bait cup the rest of the way out. There's still a few worms in there. They definitely worked that potato peels over. I'm just going to kind of see if there's many worms left. I don't see any. This mess smells so good. There's one right there actually. Alright, so I've got this bin. We haven't baited out. I think it's primarily castings and eggshells. And I'm going to combine these two and go ahead and start another bin here, and then I'll go ahead and put a bait cup in here in a week or two. I'll let them finish going through that, but that's primarily castings. Alright, I got this bin pretty much emptied. You know what's stuck in the sides. There are still some worms. I've seen a few here and there. There's one there. So I'm going to leave that, put some bedding in there, start baiting them out of the big holding bin. Look at that. Gosh. If you made it this far, then you probably like worm balls as well. Hashtag worm balls. And here is the bin that I combined. Okay, so this is a 46 quart or 41 liter tote, and this one's a little bit larger, a little bit longer, not much, and taller, and it is almost completely full of castings. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please hit that thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment. Until next time, have a great day.